Maintain angle, watch the stress fractures. Copy that.
Retracting the drill head now. Stand clear, it's coming down.
All right, easy back, hold it right there. Clear to lift the bed.
Large industrial magnets remove tiny metal particles that may have entered during mining or crushing. The salt continues moving smoothly along enclosed stainless steel conveyor. The clarity on this batch is exceptional.
The data on the screen confirms it, well above the threshold. Engine. The dried pink salt passes through high-precision grading machines equipped with multiple vibrating screens.
We have achieved full capacity on the fine grain storage, ready for packaging integration.
Confirmed. The next batch is clear for transfer.
The freshly ground salt flows into high-speed vibrating sifters for precision grading. Multiple mesh screens.
We are seeing stable UV output across all banks.
Good. The batch is clear for lab approval.
Approved Himalayan pink salt flows into massive stainless steel holding bins above the packaging department. Automated weighing systems prepare exact quantities for filling machines. The remarkable transformation from giant mountain boulders to perfectly packaged salt crystals is complete.